Imagine making $100 a day without leaving your house, without a boss breathing down your neck, and without needing years of experience or fancy degrees. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Because in 2025, making money online is more accessible than ever. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making $100 a day with zero experience. Part 1. The game has changed. Back in the day, working online meant building websites or coding apps. But now, there are dozens of ways regular people, just like you, are making money online. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, these methods can help you earn daily income from your laptop or phone. Part 2. Microtasks equals micro income, but they add up. Let's start simple. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you to do quick tasks, like taking surveys, watching ads, or tagging images. It's not glamorous, but it's easy and it works. You can stack up $10–20 a day just by using your spare time. It's not magic, it's consistent, mindless work that adds up. Part 3. Freelancing without experience? Yes, you don't need to be a pro to freelance. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork now let you offer beginner-friendly gigs, like typing, translating, writing blog posts, making social media captions, or even removing backgrounds from photos. Some people start at just $5, but once you get a few reviews, boom, $20, $50, even $100 gigs come rolling in. Start small, grow fast. Part 4. Sell what you know or create. Got a hobby? Turn it into income. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Ko-fi let you sell printables, templates, or digital products you create once and sell over and over. I know people who sell simple to-do lists or budget trackers and make hundreds every month. Zero inventory. Zero shipping. Just your creativity making you cash. Part 5. Become a content creator, even with zero followers. You don't need to be famous to make money online. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are pushing out videos from new creators every day. Share your thoughts, teach something, entertain people, and then monetize. Use affiliate links, promote products, or join creator funds. Some people make $100 a day just from short videos. Yes, it takes effort, but you can do this. Part 6. Affiliate marketing, smart passive income. This one's powerful. You share links to products you love, and when people buy, you get paid. You don't need a website. You don't need 10,000 followers. Just a TikTok, YouTube, or even Pinterest account. Start with Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Recommend something useful and earn while you sleep. Look, I'm not promising you'll get rich overnight, but $100 a day? That's doable. With the tools and platforms available in 2025, there are legit ways to earn money online, even if you've never done this before. The only thing stopping most people is not starting. So if you're serious about changing your life, start small. Take action today. That $100 a day, it's closer than you think. Smash that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more real ways to make money online. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We read every single one.